Here, we need to subtract a multiple of 100, so remember that's a number that ends in 2 zeros, and the number we're subtracting it from is also a multiple of 100. First, we have 8,700 minus 600. If we highlight our hundreds digits, we can see that we start with 700s and we're subtracting 600s. So in our answer, we have 100, but the 8,000s that we started with stays the same. Now 1,400 minus 600. This time, when we highlight our hundreds digits, we can see that we're subtracting 600s, but we only start with 400s. So what we need to do here is highlight our thousands digit as well. 14 minus 6 is 8, so our answer is 800. Now 5,500 minus 800. If we highlight our hundreds digit, again the number that we're subtracting is larger, so let's highlight our thousands digit as well. 55 minus 8 is 47, so our answer is 4,700. And finally, we have 6,200 minus 900. Again, we need to look not just at our hundreds digit, but our thousands digit as well. 62 minus 9 is 53, so we get 5,300. Now let's take a closer look at these questions. For this first one, we started with 8,700, and to subtract 600, we can take 6 of these hundreds away. And that leaves us still with our 8,000s, but now we only have 100. Or with place value counters, subtracting 600, we can take away 6 of our 100 counters to leave us with just 100. But then we had 1,400 minus 600. Now we can take away the 400s that we have, but to take away 600, we need to take away 2 more hundreds. So what we need to do is exchange our 1,000 for 10 hundreds. Then we can take 2 more away, so we've subtracted 600 blocks altogether, and that leaves us with 800. Or with place value counters, to subtract 600s, we can take away the 400s that we have, then exchange our 1,000 for 10 hundreds and take away 2 more, and that leaves us with 800 as our answer. Then we had 5,500 minus 800. To subtract 800s, we can take away the 500s that we have, and then exchange, and then take away 3 more. So you can see that now we've taken away 8 of these hundreds, and that leaves us with only 4,000s, and we have 700s. And of course we don't have any 10s or 1s because we didn't start with any and weren't taking any away. Or with place value counters, to subtract 800s, we can take away the 500s that we have, then we can exchange, and then because we've already taken away 5, we can take 3 more hundreds away to leave us with 4,000s and 700s in our answer. And for our last question, we had 6,200 and we were taking 900 away. We can take away 1, 2, then exchange. Then take away 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to leave us with 5,300 as our answer. Or with place value counters, we're taking away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.